This LED headlight bulb was specially made for Toyota 4Runner 2014 to 2020. The off-center heatsink design based on the factory headlight assembly, perfect fit. Dual cooling system, more effective heat dissipation, stronger stability. Customized dust cover, protect headlight bulb from water, dust, moisture. Extended design leaves more space for heat dissipation. Now, let's replace the OEM halogen headlights with these new custom LED bulbs.
Alright guys, so today we're working on this 2019 Toyota 4Runner TRD off-road trim. We're going to show you guys how to install our new Pro Series H11s that are made for, majority are for Toyotas. So far we tested on the Highlander and the 4Runner and they fit perfect. As most 4Runner owners know, on these headlights the bulb goes in sideways, not like a traditional bulb or headlight where it just goes in forward, twists on. On these they go sideways, twists on. Alright, so over here we have the dust cover. You just have to simply twist off. And there's the bulb. You can unplug it. Comes off. Our traditional bulbs, as more 4Runner owners know, they hit here on the actual headlight plastic piece. So if it does manage to work, you can't put the cover back on. It hits the cover and you have to leave it open. With this new series, I'll show you right now, the unique design to it actually allows you to allow your factory one to go back on, but you won't need it no more because we made an extended dust cover with the actual fan built in. It keeps everything cooled, very cooled. So one fan on the bulb, another fan on the actual cover. 2 fans total. They have 3 little tabs. You want to make sure you follow it. Oh, and of course, forgot. Each side would have a right side and a left side. So this is the right side, left side. So it is there. Now you get your cover, which as well will have a right side and left side. Plug your connector. Until there. And then your original connector to our new connector on the actual dust cover. So you could tell red, positive on the connector piece. Want to make sure you follow those connections. That's that. There you go. What was installed? All right, let's turn them on.